In this video, I'll show you how to replace an image in Base44. Once you were on your Base44 account, the first step is to actually know where it is that you want to replace a photo to. Now, most commonly, we are going to do this within our application. So in order for you to get to your apps, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. From here at the bottom, simply choose on all apps. Now that will be the list of all of your applications. So from here, simply choose an app. I will choose Insight Hub. Now, once you have an app selected, it will automatically take you to the editor or the preview of your application. So from here, as you can see, I have two pictures. One is a background, and at the top in the right corner, it is a small profile picture. Now, in order for you to change the image, what you need to do is simply head over to the bottom in the left corner. From here at the bottom, click on the plus sign to add. From here at the top, we will upload from our computer. And let's say I have here a profile picture. Within this profile picture, what I want to do is simply change this profile picture into my exact picture. So at the bottom, we will just specify, change the profile picture at the top right corner to the exact picture that I have uploaded. So as simple as that, when we press on enter, it will take some time depending on the credits and depending on the request. But as you can see, it will edit. And once it's done, as you can see at the top in the right corner, it automatically replaced the profile picture. What you can also do is at the top in the left corner, you can head over to edit mode. From here, you can select the exact image. And at the bottom, you will also have an option to replace the image. Now, it will automatically track if the exact thing is an image. So as you can see, I have here the main, but at the top, if you click on the drop down, you can actually choose a specific area that you'll want to replace. But originally, within an image at the bottom, you can just simply click on replace image. And from here, you can choose the background picture before. At the bottom, once you click on replace, it will automatically replace that image. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.